Okay guys, so here we can see in the initial stock upload I already explained you in the some demos. And now come to the next point. So packaging specification, as we know, we have the labels. So what is the labels? When we pack the bearing in the plastic bag first, level 1 packaging, then we put into the another bubble wrap, level 2 packaging, then we put into the big box, level 3 packaging. Like these kind of, one example, 100 boxes we pack into the one handling unit, so level 3 packaging. So these kind of records, if we want to migrate to the database, we use this technique. Normal storage bins or fixed storage bin migration tools, okay, or technique. If we have like normal storage bins we want to migrate, or if we have the multiple bins or fixed storage bin, or replenished. With the replenished plant replenishment records, we have, one example, fixed storage bin, we can migrate. Physical inventory records we can migrate with help of the initial stock upload. The second point, we come to the technical side. So here I mentioned EWM, important function modules. Okay, we can also check this. If you go to the some of the, you can check if you want. You can find a lots of like examples online for the important EWM tables, function modules. Okay, but I mentioned some kind of a specific. So EWM business settings. Business settings means baddies, some of the plugins. We have a number of baddies I mentioned here. We can also check in online. We have lots of examples. Programs, some of the important programs, some of the forms, Adobe or like a smart form. We use standard, those are the standard. We customize based on our requirement. So we have the picking list, delivery notes, sales order, purchase order forms. Like for an example, we have the metric, one of the standard form. We download that, we do the customization. In the similar, we have the picking list form, we have the delivery standard form, we have the sales order standard forms. We customize that based on our requirement. Very simple. Create a job, very simple. Go to SM36 transaction codes, actually SM37 transaction code. We can debug the job through the JDBG. It's very simple. Schedule the job, reprocess the job, cancel the job, then enhancements. Enhancements contains like enhancement section, points, a lot of things which I mentioned here in this technical classes. But these are very interesting topics. So our today main topic is the tools or data migration technique. Okay, so and guys, in my some of the like I put the videos in the different parts because this is like the explanation like in the more better way. I put in the different parts, small parts. Okay, so data migration tool and technique. So first is initial stock upload. I already explained you in my books. I have mentioned like more deep. Packaging specification, we have the element work step level, single level packing, multiple level packing, storage bin before sorting and after sorting. Simple thing, we have the storage bin and lots of bins. Here how we can migrate that. Normal storage bin or fixed storage bin or some kind of a specific storage bins if we want to migrate. Physical inventory. So this is today a small video how we use the. So what happens actually, I will tell you. We have the few of the, whenever we use the tools, migration tools or like uploading tools or migration technique, behind the system we have the function module GUI underscore upload, GUI underscore download. System triggers this function module whenever we use this technique. So we have, suppose for an example, so here I put more to be continued. Okay, so suppose we have the some of the, I will give you an example, GUI underscore download function module we have. Okay, so suppose if we have this function module, we can execute directly this function module. We can go to the C37 transaction code. In this function module, if we have the records through this function module, we want to put this record from the function module. We fetch the record from the table database table and we want to put this record into the CSV file, even we can do this opposite, in the opposite direction. So here generally we from fact file, from file we can send the records to the database, but in this situation if we have the records in the function module from the database it triggered we fetch, we can send this to the file. So we can save this like this called downloading process, and this called uploading process, upload to. So here I will mention first point upload to EWM database tables. Okay. The second download records, business records, any records, download from database table to our file, our flat file. Simple. Processes are very these processes are simple process. So in my books I have the screenshots, I have the proper process real time, and thank you guys. And this things comes under like my level A1 training. These things comes, and so thank you very much. You can go through this steps and then you can see how we work with the tools, how we work with the uploading tools or downloading tools. Simple, vice versa we can use. Okay, and thank you very much guys. See you next.